Hi, it's Hardreset and today I'm with Logitech G715 again and I'm gonna show you all the lightning. So as you can see, it's a default animation, but clicking lightning button and 1, you will have another animation. Maybe I turn the brightness a little bit off so you can better see it. As well as you click with 2, you have other animation. And 3. And 4. To speed up the animation, click lightning and equal and plus. To slow down the animation, click minus. My favorite is 6, cause it's completely dark till you click something. It's really satisfying to watch. And 0 is solid cyan. So yeah, that's it. Don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next video.